Hi everyone. So today we're harvesting some fresh ginger. The plants look a lot like bamboo, but they're small. They come up at about to my waist. And then if you look down at the roots, you'll see the little ginger roots peeking out. And what we have is 1-year-old or young ginger, also known as pink ginger. If you look up close, you see the pink tint around the buds and the joints. The ginger you get in the store is 2 years old and it has a thicker skin, and they cure it so it'll store well and transport well. We can't grow ginger for 2 years here in Pennsylvania, so we grow it just for 1 season, and we give it to you with a very tender skin. You normally don't have to peel it. The flip side is it doesn't keep very well, so you want to use it within a week. If you can't do that, it freezes well. You can chop it up and freeze it, and then drop a piece of frozen ginger in your tea or your soup or stew or stir fry or your smoothies. If you have a dehydrator, you can slice it and dehydrate it. And it can also be pickled for sushi ginger. So we hope you enjoy your fresh ginger from the Farm of Peace, and let us know any feedback.